Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and crunchy Chinese chicken salad that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This crunchy and delicious Chinese salad, these are the ingredients. I have sesame oil, soy sauce, wonton wrappers, rice vinegar, sesame seeds, lettuce, cabbage, purple cabbage, white cabbage, shredded carrots, sliced almonds, and of course, the chicken breast. This is everything you need to enjoy an amazing and crunchy and delicious Chinese salad made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start first by making the marinade of the chicken. I have ginger paste and I am going to use 1 tablespoon of the ginger paste. If you have fresh ginger paste, it'll be much better. But here, this is what I have, and I don't want to go to the supermarket. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Sesame oil is so delicious and with so much aroma. 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. Let me tell you, this marinade really is delicious and amazing, and the chicken breast really absorbs all these amazing flavors. I am using 1/4 of a cup of rice vinegar. This is a very mild vinegar. I recommend really this vinegar. This really gives it that special touch and really makes this such a delicious marinade. Here, don't forget your garlic. I love garlic and I'm adding 5 garlic cloves. Of course, I'm waking it up first by smashing them. And now I am ready to add it to the plate and then just mix away. Once this is ready, we are ready to start preparing the chicken breast. I love getting the chicken breast and then slicing it just like this. You could do it with the whole chicken breast, but I really love slicing it so that chicken breast really absorbs all the marinade, really obtain all those amazing and delicious flavors. When you prepare the chicken this way, you are really going to notice the difference. Once your chicken is already sliced, I'm going to add the marinade right on the top, making sure that everything is covered with this amazing liquid. Now that it's nice and covered, I am going to cover it, let it sit for about 1 hour. And if you could leave it overnight with this amazing marinade, even better. Look at this. Let's cover it and let's put it aside and let it rest and marinate in those amazing juices. And now I am ready to continue with the cabbage. Of course, this is what takes much longer. Preparing the cabbage and getting the heart out of each cabbage. Of course, you're going to add just enough for your family. My family is a family of 6. So I'm slicing away, taking my time, making it nice and thin, and that's exactly how you want it. Once your purple cabbage is sliced, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl And I am going to continue with the white cabbage. Look at this. This salad has so much flavor. It has so much color. And the best thing is that you could make it at home. Always remember to remove the heart of the cabbage and take your time when you're slicing. You want to make sure that you slice in nice and thin slices. Here at home, my family really loves this amazing salad. I could eat this salad every week if it's possible. I love the crunchiness of the salad and all the ingredients that are in here. Even the chicken. The chicken comes out so tender, so moist, just amazing. Of course, I'm adding regular romaine salad, lettuce, any kind of lettuce you have at home. This is the lettuce I have in this moment, so this is the one I am using. Look at this. I have the shredded carrot and I'm using 2 shredded carrots. Look at all these amazing colors and texture. And please don't forget your sliced almonds. This really gives a delicious touch to this amazing salad. If you love salads like I do, especially this one, make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. And here I have the wontons, the wonton wrappers. Look at this. What am I going to do with this? I'm going to slice away nice and thin. And on the stove, I have a pan with vegetable oil getting nice and hot. You want to add all these strips into hot oil, really hot oil, so they crisp really fast. Look at this. Let me tell you, I really love the crunchiness, the flavor of the wontons in this amazing salad. And here they're nice and crispy. Now I am ready to make another sauce for the salad. I am going to add, of course, sesame seeds. And now I am ready to build and enjoy my salad. But before I do that, let me continue by cooking the chicken. Look at this. I have the chicken marinated, adding a little bit of vegetable oil on my pan, and I am ready to start cooking the chicken in medium heat. The chicken is going to take this amazing color. Look at this. We're going to cook it for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken is really cooked and golden brown. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love Chinese salad, well, like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you, this chicken always comes out so moist, so delicious, and the color, let me show you, just amazing. This is exactly how you want the chicken to look, nice and golden brown. And I am ready to build my salad. Of course, I'm doing individual portions because you really want to enjoy all the crispiness of the salad. I'm adding some of the dressing right on the top. I am going to mix and incorporate everything. I want everything to really absorb all those amazing flavors, covered completely. And now I am ready to pour it to the presentation plate. Of course, I'm adding the almonds, the sliced almond, toasted right on the top. Let me continue with the chicken. Look at the chicken, really tender, nice and golden brown. And I am ready to add a little more of the sauce, and I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. I am completely done with this amazing chicken Chinese salad. It smells amazing and I am ready to try it. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, when you make it at home, you add a little more extra of everything. So delicious. The chicken is so tender. It really absorbed all those amazing flavors. I hope, my friends, that you make this amazing Chinese chicken salad made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Chinese chicken salad. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.